My identity has gone through a journey of being a victim of culture to someone who's actively trying to change it. From someone who was spat on for being dark skinned to someone who is now in ads representing dark skin and in the media talking to masses about the problematic effects of colorism. Colorism was the reason I wanted to die, and now it has given me a reason to live. My name is Seema Hari, and I'm an activist working on dismantling colorism. My story, my journey, it is my art. My identity is my work. In a culture that told me that I would not find love or success or happiness because of my dark skin, my happiness is my rebellion. It is my resistance and my activism. I am someone who has seen the rock bottom of life and wanted to die every single day. And now I'm excited to live, and I cannot wait to change the world. Colorism is the discrimination faced by people with dark skin. It is a worldwide issue that affects people across countries and race and ethnicities, but it is especially pronounced in South Asian countries like India, where I am from. Just because I was born with dark skin, I was called ugly and unworthy by people from my own culture, and I had to face discrimination and harassment almost every single day. I had extremely low self-esteem, and I was depressed and suicidal throughout my childhood and teenage years. For the first 20 or so years of my life, I was a victim of my own culture. I was a victim of colorism that was so rampant in the society that I was born into. But as I started getting exposed to other cultures, I started educating myself about beauty standards, about racism, about the after effects of colonialism. So after I did that, I had this radical transformation where I was extremely happy to be in the world. I was extremely happy with myself and who I am. But I realized that a lot of people were still suffering, and there was no one doing the work to dismantle colorism. I realized that I had to become the person who would work on dismantling this myself. Colorism actually has many deeply horrific consequences. People with dark skin are routinely suffering from depression and suicide because of their extremely low self-esteem. This is mostly because there is also no sense of solidarity or community when you're a victim of colorism, because your own people, your own race, your own family and your friends will discriminate against you. There is absolutely no positive representation of dark skin in all mainstream media. Instead of having any positive representation, there is extremely negative representation of dark skin in movies where all the evil characters and all the criminals are shown as dark skinned. So there is this inherent bias against dark skinned people, even in the justice system. In India, you're more likely to get arrested or convicted of a crime if you are dark skinned. And colorism also affects your career. In countries like India, beauty companies pay millions of dollars to movie stars like Shah Rukh Khan and Priyanka Chopra to brainwash the masses, to make them believe that if you don't lighten your skin, you will not find jobs or success. So this propagates the bias even further, where people who have dark skin are not considered for client-facing jobs. They are not considered for promotions, they are not selected for leadership roles, and so on and so forth. The most heartbreaking one is how dark-skinned people are told that they are unworthy of love. And this becomes especially problematic in countries like India. For people who have dark skin, they will be forced to marry the first match that comes along because of the notion that nobody else wants to marry them. So dark-skinned people, women especially, have no agency in selecting who they get to marry, and they will end up staying longer in violent and abusive relationships because their sense of self-worth has been absolutely destroyed by society. Now I'm an activist trying to change the culture and shift perspective around colorism. I create art, I write stories, I mobilize petitions, I do grassroots education work for kids with low self-esteem, all to dismantle colorism and dismantle the idea that dark skin is unworthy. I consider myself highly successful because I measure my success in my ability to love and give. I'm madly in love with myself and with the world and with all the people in my life who love me for who I am.